A lot of senior homeowners are house rich but cash constrained. Can you walk us through how a reverse mortgage can turn that around without requiring them to sell or leave their home?
Sure. I mean, that's the basic issue with a reverse mortgage. We have so many homeowners who are in that situation. They don't have a lot of recurring monthly income. They may even have they may have some savings or retirement accounts, but maybe not a tremendous amount. So where they're in a vulnerable position where they may not have access to income or liquid assets sufficient to you know, thoroughly and adequately enjoy their senior years. The reverse mortgage product was designed specifically for that. But here's what's interesting about the reverse mortgages currently. You know, the baby boomers generation is very large, getting older every day. It's much bigger than it used to be in terms of previous generations of senior homeowners. And yet, reverse mortgage loan volume is very low compared to historically. In fact, consider this: the peak in reverse mortgage loan volume in the US was in 2009 when almost 115,000 reverse mortgages were made. Well, last year in 2024, only about 27,000 reverse mortgages were made. And so that's odd because we've had a big increase in home value since 2019, pre-pandemic to now. So theoretically, there should be more equity available for that senior homeowner to access. And yet they aren't doing that in nearly the numbers as before. And we'll talk about that a little bit in a minute. But in the meantime, what I think the other little sliver of a data point is 74% of senior homeowners really don't know much of anything about a reverse mortgage or how they work. So I think that fear of just the unknown is keeping them from really looking into it. And they should, because the key aspect, excuse me, of the reverse mortgage is it gives you access to your equity to address the concern about having sufficient income, sufficient cash to survive adequately and comfortably in your senior years. The core product is called a HECM, home equity conversion mortgage. That's actually an FHA loan. And that is the most popular option. It works in most cases, not all. The beauty of it is it gives that homeowner the opportunity, if you're free and clear on your home and you're over 62, and particularly as you get older beyond 62, you get the ability to access cash, and you can get it in a multiple number of ways. You can get it as a lump sum. You can get it with monthly payments for a specific term, like 10 or 20 years. You can get a monthly payment for your lifetime, and that's calculated based on your current age up to age 100. And if you live to 100, by the way, you'll keep getting those payments all the way up to that point and beyond. Or fourth option, a line of credit. And that is a very good option, underappreciated, underutilized, not well known by senior homeowners. And you can get the cash through a combination of those four ways that I just described.